And today we're going to be checking out the Medicane adjustable walking cane. That's right, this is a walking cane if you have an injury, if you're getting elderly and having a harder time getting around, or even if you just need a little assistance on the trail or going up and down stairs. This is a great portable cane option just for the fact that it's portable. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how this thing works and give you all the specs and details. So when you first get it, it's folded up like this. I have a purple anodized. They do have many colors to choose from. And in its collapsed form, it's only 14 inches tall and 5.5 inches wide. So when you're ready to fold it, it's super easy. You just let it go and it actually assembles itself. How cool is that? Now it does have this nice grip T-handle on top to give you extra support. It's got a super wide foot on the bottom, and not only is it wide, but it will flex and move as you're walking. So you're maintaining a nice contact on the ground at all times. It has this super grippy foot with treads on the bottom, so it's not going to slip out from under you, even under wet conditions. When you unfold it, it's 38 inches long, but a really cool feature about this is you can actually adjust the height. If you're younger and it's too tall, you can actually shorten it, or if you're a little bit taller, you can make it taller. And it also has this nice convenient wrist strap, so you do not drop your cane as well. Very cool. So you can see as I'm holding the cane that it comes all the way up to my waist. This is as tall as it gets. I'm 6'1", and that's probably too high for me. I actually need to lower that a little bit. So I'll just push the button in, collapse it, drop it down a couple sizes, and that's much better for me. You can see it's quite sturdy. As I said, it will support up to 350 pounds. They look nice. They're easy to fold back up. All you do is you just separate the halves, and it has that elastic cord in between them to keep everything nice and together. And just like that, you can stick it in the provided bag or in your bag, and you're good to go. And when you're ready for it again, I'll show you again how easy it is to assemble it. You just unfold it, and it's ready. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.